Good morning, students. Today we'll see a new topic in reflection of light, which is image formation by plane mirror. So we all know that when you stand in front of a plane mirror, an image is formed behind the mirror, and we'll take example of two objects to show how the image is formed by a plane mirror. So there will be two kinds of object. One will be the object which is a point object, and the other image will be seen for an object which is an extended object. So we can start with the first type when the object is point object. So we are going to see how a plane mirror can form an image of a point object, and we can also see what kind of image will be formed. Let us start. We can first draw one line and show the polishing part this way. So this can be taken as the plane mirror. Now for an image to be formed, if suppose this part is polished, an object has to be kept somewhere here so that the image can be seen behind the mirror at the same distance. But we are going to form the image with the help of the ray diagram. So we are going to draw the ray to find out where actually the image will be formed and what will be the size of the image. So for this, we are going to take two rays, assuming that it is coming out from the object. So let us suppose we have taken first ray, and this ray that comes out from the object will be the incident ray. We can name this object as A. As I said, we will be taking two rays. So second ray also you can take. This can be the second ray. Now we know that when incident ray strikes the polished surface, the ray will be reflected. So we can draw one normal here, and if this is the incident ray falling on the polished surface, after striking the surface it will be reflected. This way we can show the reflection. Same is the case for this also. For this ray, we can draw one normal, and we can draw one reflected ray for this ray. Now this reflected ray should be drawn in such a way that it looks the angle of incidence and angle of reflection equal. Now since we have got two reflected rays, and you can see these two reflected rays are not going to intersect as they are diverging away from each other, and the image will be formed when the reflected rays either will intersect or will be produced back to make them intersect. Here in this case the two rays are not going to intersect, so we are going to produce them back to find our intersection point. So let us see where it is going to intersect. We can produce it back in the same straight line, and similarly we can also produce this ray in the same straight line, and we can see here the two rays are meeting at this point, which can be named as A dash, and this A dash is nothing but the image of this object A. So it is clear from here that the image that will be formed will be behind the mirror and will be of same size. This is the case of an object which is point size, and next day I will show you the object when it is an extended object, a bigger size. But we will apply the same rule for the extended object also. So your homework will be to practice this ray diagram. Thank you.